Hello, welcome. My name is April and this is the Frugal Planner channel, and this is a planner giveaway video. Full disclosure, the giveaway is for US residents only just because I will be mailing this out, and the giveaway will be held on Saturday, November 1st. Okay. If this is your first time here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If this is a return trip for you, welcome back. Again, my name is April. This planner is a 2025-2026. So as soon as I draw the name of the person that wins this, I will pop it in the mail so that you can start moving into it right away. It is 11 by 8.5 or 8.5 by 11. She's a big one. Front cover is going to be nice and thick. You've got a double coil system here in gold, which looks beautiful with these colors. Again, you've got your first page here, July 25 through June of 2026. Flip through here. This is also a little bit thicker. You have your quick reference information. This is your information here. And then a list of yearly goals. I like this page. I like how large this is. It is definitely an in-charge planner. You have your yearly overview over here, 25 and 26, your holidays for 25, 26, and 27, which are always great for planning ahead. You have 2 pages for contacts. You've got name, address, and numbers. And then we pop into the month. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, I love how the menu bar or the sidebar is split up. I love how they've got the before and after months. I love this font. I think this is really, really pretty. I also love how they've got some room at the top that if you wanted to decorate, you sure could. And each one of these is lined. I can tell you if my calendar squares aren't lined, I always write a little bit funky. So I appreciate when a calendar company or a planner company includes lines. It's got some holidays marked in here as well. This is not like a bold black ink. I would say it's more of a dark gray. So I like that too. It's easy on the eye. So you've got your to-do list over here and then your note section here. Your monthly columns are going to be 1 3/4 by about 2. 1 3/4 inches by 2 inches. This is a horizontal. And you've got your lots of space up here. Here's the thing I'm thinking with this, because there's so much space up here. Yes, you could use it for decorating, for ephemera, for photos, whatever you wanted to put at the top, but you could also do trackers. So if you wanted to do some habit trackers, you could put those up there. This is a Saturday, Sunday combined. So this is really nice, especially if you're considering if you work Monday through Friday and you want a work planner, but you still want to have something that you can take notes for on the weekend. Or I have a work planner that I used to have a work planner that had Saturday and Sunday, and I would just white this out or write over it, and I would use this for meetings and for notes. So I had these 2 areas here that I could keep track of other things. If you find that you are not as busy on the weekends, this will be perfect because it's smaller areas. Another thing you could do, because this is such a large planner, is break this up into memory keeping. So you could do pictures, or you could do like ticket stubs. You could do like movie ticket stubs, and then write a little blurb on that day of what happened. I really like that idea too. Paper quality, it is really toothy. It is a tiny bit thicker than like copy paper, but not much. So I would definitely recommend doing a pen test as soon as you receive this and see, you know, what pens and stuff are going to be best in here. The tabs are laminated, so those are pretty sturdy. I'm just going to flip through the months really quick. I'm going to leave some of this so that when you flip through it, you can separate out those pages and it still feels new to you. I don't want to ruin that new out of the box feeling by any means. So we go through December, which is probably when you would start using it. So you're asking yourself, do I really want to win this if I'm only going to be able to use it for 6 months? Here's the funny thing. If you start this in January of 2026, this could actually be your full year calendar. You would just simply redate July through December. So you would start it in January, 2026, and then you would redate this half of it for 2026. So you would have a full year calendar or full year planner for free. And then we're back to the monthly sections. I just really like how this layout is clean, crisp, and lined. Like, it's very, very well put together. Did I tell you how big these were? I didn't. I don't think I measured them. Let me measure. They're 3 inches. So these are 3 inches tall, and then of course they're the width of the planner. So 3 inches is quite a bit of room to put a schedule in or memory keeping. Maybe this is going to be your meal planner, so every week or every day is going to have a recipe, and then you're going to be doing your meal prep and grocery list on the weekend. That's another idea. Again, you've got your double coils. They're really sturdy. Sometimes when we get a coil planner, you know, they bend easily. This one doesn't feel like it's going to bend very easily. And then we get to June. And if you are only going to use it as a 6-month, then you don't have to redate it. That's completely fine. And then let's see what, okay, so we just go through July. So then you can start either over on the planner or be done with it and move into another planner. Then on the back, you have one pocket that you can put things in, and then your hardcover on the back with that same floral design. Again, this is open to US residents only. If you are interested in winning this planner, all you have to do is comment down below, and on Saturday, November 1st, I will reply to the person who has won this planner and organized how we're going to get it to you and all that good stuff. So if you want to win, put down below a comment and I will hopefully draw your name. I love you. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.